Welcome to Master 2255 English Phrasal Verbs, complete course with 150 categories for fluency. This course is here to help you master phrasal verbs and make your English sound more natural. Today, we're focusing on the 23rd category, Household Phrasal Verbs. Make your daily chores fun. These verbs are essential for talking about everyday tasks around the house. Let's get started. First, let's talk about clean up. This phrasal verb means to make a space tidy and remove mess or dirt. For example, we need to clean up the living room before guests arrive, or she cleaned up the kitchen after dinner. Next is tidy up. This is similar to clean up and means to organize or put things in order. You might say, "Can you tidy up your room, please?" Or, "He tidied up his desk before starting work." Take out refers to removing something, often trash or recycling. For instance, don't forget to take out the garbage, or she took out the recycling this morning. Put away means to store items in their proper place after using them. You could say, "Please put away your toys," or "He put away the dishes after drying them." Sweep up refers to cleaning the floor with a broom. For example, "I'll sweep up the crumbs under the table," or "She swept up the dirt by the front door." Do up is used when fastening or securing something, but in a household context, it can also mean redecorating or repairing. For instance, "We're doing up the kitchen this summer," or "He did up the broken chair." Throw out means to discard or get rid of something. You might hear, "I threw out the old magazines," or "She threw out the expired milk." Wipe off refers to cleaning a surface by removing dirt or stains. For example, "He wiped off the table after dinner," or "Can you wipe off the counter? It's sticky." Mop up means to clean a liquid spill using a mop or cloth. You could say, "She mopped up the spilled juice," or "He quickly mopped up the water before it spread." Hang up is used when placing clothes on a hanger or hook. For instance, "Don't forget to hang up your coat," or "She hung up the wet clothes to dry." Sort out refers to organizing or arranging items. You might say, "We need to sort out the laundry before washing," or "He sorted out the boxes in the attic." Fix up means to repair or improve something. For example, "He fixed up the broken fence," or "They're fixing up the old house to sell it." Wash up usually refers to cleaning dishes or utensils. You could say, "Who's going to wash up after dinner?" or "She washed up the pots and pans." Break down in a household context can mean dismantling something or having something stop functioning. For instance, "The washing machine broke down yesterday," or "He broke down the old table to throw it away." Finally, put up means to hang or install something like decorations or shelves. For example, "We put up new curtains in the living room," or "He put up the picture frame on the wall." These phrasal verbs are incredibly useful for describing everyday household chores. Practice using them in your own daily routines, and they'll quickly become second nature. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.